A loading bucket sealing ring has one grooved side and one smooth side. When installing it, make sure the grooved side faces inward. Install the loading bucket sealing ring. Sliding the stirring blade over the evaporator and gently rotate and push it in until it fits securely onto the shaft pin. Align the condensate deflector plate with the trace slots and push it in to lock it into place. Keep the dispensing handle facing upward and slide the loading bucket assembly over the stirring blade and evaporator. Lock the locking handles on both sides to secure the loading bucket. Install the water tank. Install the drip tray. Open the loading bucket lid. Pour in a beverage with qualified sugar content of at least 6%. Do not exceed the maximum capacity line. The minimum capacity is 0.5 liters, or 17 ounces. The maximum capacity for slush mode is 1.5 liters, or 50 ounces. The maximum capacity for cold drink mode is 2 liters, or 68 ounces. Close the loading bucket lid. Plug in the unit, then tap the power button to turn it on. Then you can tap the corresponding button to select your desired function. Tap the custom-made button to choose the custom-made function. This function allows you to manually adjust the temperature according to your own preference, and the display will show the current set temperature. Tap the temperature thickness increase or decrease button to set your desired temperature within the range of 30.2 Fahrenheit to 14.9 Fahrenheit. But do not set it to low, as excessively thick slush may cause the motor to stall or the mixture to overflow. Tap the Milkshake button to choose the Milkshake function. This function is used for making milkshakes and creamy frozen drinks from dairy and cream-based beverages. Tap the Frozen Juice button to choose the Frozen Juice function. This function is used for making frozen juice and fruit-based frozen drinks from naturally sweetened beverages. Tap the Slush button to choose the Slush function. This function is used for making regular slush drinks from your everyday beverages. Tap the Spike Slush button to choose the Spike Slush function. This function is used for making alcoholic slush drinks, and the alcohol content must be between 4% and 16%. Tap the Frap button to choose the Frap function. This function is used for making frozen coffee drinks. Tap the Cold Drinks button to choose the Cold Drinks function. This function is used for making chilled drinks without turning them into slush. After selecting your desired function, you can tap the Temperature Thickness Increase or Decrease button to adjust the thickness level. Then tap the Start Pause button to start making your desired drink. During the drink making process, the display will show the set thickness level and the current temperature. When the drink is ready, a display will show a cool indicator. The stirring blade will continue rotating to help maintain the drink consistency. Place a cup under the dispensing outlet. Pull the dispensing handle downward to release the drink. After repeated use, check the amount of condensed water in the water tank. When the water tank is nearly full, empty it. Within 30 seconds after turning on the machine, press and hold the slush button and the frozen juice button at the same time for 2 seconds to switch between Celsius and Fahrenheit. To run the clean function, open the loading bucket lid at first, and pour clean water into the loading bucket. Fill water up to the cold drink max line, but do not exceed it. Close the loading bucket lid. Tap the power button to turn on the unit. Tap the clean button to select the cleaning function, and the display will show a 5-minute countdown. Tap the Start Pause button to start cleaning, and after 5 minutes, the machine will automatically turn off. After cleaning is complete, dispense the water. Pull open the locking handles on both sides. Pull the loading bucket assembly out firmly. Remove the stirring blade. Remove the loading bucket sealing ring. Remove the drip tray. Remove the water tank. Remove the condensate deflector plate. Then you can clean all the removable parts.